Yeah, it's their first day of swimming lesson, mga mare. Ayan, for the two mini mares, it's their first swimming lesson. Where are you going, Kara?
Swimming. No.
You're going to?
Swimming. Swimming.
Swimming, yes. Are you excited, girls?
Yes.
Okay. You have to listen to your teacher, okay?
Is it a
At the
girl or
light,
boy,
turn
Mommy?
left onto Q
We
Street.
don't know, anak kong ko. We will see. Okay? Okay, mga mare, we're on the way. Kasi niregister natin sila sa swimming lesson. Ayan. Mga 30 minutes lang naman yun, mga mare. Kaya we'll see later on. We will take a video. And mga mare, see you later pag nandun na tayo. Kasa ate?
Are we almost there?
Yeah, we're almost there. Ako atat ng mga mini mare, mga mare. Ano na swimming na ang mga are. Uh-oh, I think it's closed, the swimming. What we gonna do now if it's closed? Come back next time? What's that? Pangilan na yun. Doon sa isang stoplight pa.
Mommy, are we almost there from swimming?
Yes, we're almost there na, anak. Yeah. Tanong na ng tanong, mga mare. There, we're going to turn over there now. Ayun, at the next light, turn left.
At the light,
Oh, arrow.
turn left onto Beecroft Road.
Makakaano ka pa? Handang ka, daddy.
In 800 meters, turn right.
$350 turn right.
Go past this light, then turn right.
Malampasan mo pa yung stoplight. What's that, Kara? Almost there. Yes, we're almost there, anak ko.
Excited. Almost there ko na alam mo.
Itong building na to.
Yan.
Then we will
I-drop
wait.
kayo na.
Yeah, okay.
Yan,
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 magsiswimming mga yan. Oh.
The destination is on your right.
Yes, we're here, mga are.
Dog glass.
Ayan, dito na kami, mga mare. Come on, stay, hold mama. Okay. Yan, binababa lang ni Maritu si Mareng Bulinggit.
Mommy, is this the swimming pool?
Yeah, there inside. Nagkag-parking ka, lason sa po dati.
Mommy!
Yan, pasok na kami sa loob, mga mare. Nag-park lang sa si Maritus. Naghanap lang ng parking spot, mga mare. Sa loob na namin aantayin si Maritus, mga mare.
It's swimming lesson class.
What's that? You excited? How about you, Kara? Press that. Press on. Oh yeah, it's waving. Okay, let's wait for Daddy. Let's stay here first. Ate, stay here.
A lot of people.
What? Don't take it out yet.
A lot of people today.
Yes, because they're going to have us. Don't take it out yet, Ate. Don't.
Have a what?
Cause same as na.
Mommy!
That?
Mommy! It's the same.
Okay.
Mommy!
Okay, can you sit here in the chair? Let me just go register. Okay, sit down here. Wait for Mama. Okay? Wait for Mama. Okay? Just sit down there. Ay naku, mga mare. Dito na ako. Stay there. You wait, Mama, there.
Kara!
Daddy, come!
Kara. Yan pagkada yan? Lacquer dito? Lacquer dito, di ba?
Hold others hands now. I don't know, let's the teacher, okay? Stay with the teacher only, okay? Okay, mga mare, andito na kami sa may swimming lesson, mga mare, pero bawal mag-video. Siyempre, para sa mga bata, for their privacy act, mga mare. Kaya hindi natin sila i-video, mga mare. Kami lang, andito nag-aantay. Yan. Okay, mga mare, see you later. Ayan, mga mare, tapos na sila mag-swimming, mga mare. Andito na kami sa may sa labas. Dinadry na lang namin yung hair nila. Nagdala kami ng blow dryer. Ayan. Yes, what do you want?